In this video, I'll show you what to do if your NotebookLM sources aren't loading correctly. Let's get started. As you can see, when I try to select these files, they're stuck on a constant loading circle and won't display the actual content. First, I'll try a simple page refresh to see if it's just a temporary connection glitch. Even after the reload, the sources are still spinning, so I'll try signing out of my Google account entirely. I click my profile icon, hit sign out, and then I'll go through the process of logging back in to refresh my user session. I'm entering my password now to sign back in, but once I open the notebook again, the loading issue is still there. My next step is to clear the specific site data for NotebookLM. I'll click the lock icon in the address bar, go to Cookies and Site Data, and manage the on-device data to delete the files currently saved for this site. After another reload, the sources still won't open, so I'll head into my Chrome settings for a deeper fix. I'll navigate to the Privacy and Security tab and select Delete Browsing Data to clear my cookies and cache from the last hour. Now, when I head back to NotebookLM and perform a final refresh, the notebook finally loads up perfectly, and I can access all my sources and start working. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.